Now here's how to use an icon here onto Figma. Icons are actually essential visual elements in design since it serves as a concise representation of ideas, actions, or objects. So they play a vital role in user interfaces, enhancing user experience and understanding. So this can simplify complex concepts, guide users through their interfaces, and add visual appeal. So for you to be able to add in an icon onto your design, what you'll need to do is just search onto the website of Figma icons. So we'll just need to type in there Figma icons. Searching it like that, you could actually see some icons that are free from the Figma website. So just need to simply click onto that one and then you'll be redirected onto this kinds of page like this. So it is like a file which has free icon packs. This has a lot of icons that it offers. So you could just simply click on to open in Figma in here to open this file out. See, we have here already the different icons that it offers. So we'll just need to zoom this one in so that it would be really visible to us. So we could see some stars, some hearts in here. So let's move in here onto the other side. I have here the shop. So we could actually have this one onto our design. So what you'll need to do if you have already chosen a design, you'll just need to simply right click onto that one and then click onto copy, or you could just use the shortcut key of Control plus C. So right after you've copied that, let's head back onto our design that we made earlier and then let's just paste that one in here. So simply click onto Control V, or you could right click and click onto paste, and then let's resize this. As you can see, we have successfully copied the icon of this home. So we could edit this one in here. So let's try to resize this one out first. Then right after resizing, let's add in some more. Let's go back to the site in here. And as you can see, add in this notification or this bell icon that we've seen in here. So let's copy that one out. So let's click onto it, copy, and then let's paste it on our design in here. We have here the bell design. So let's just resize that one out. Let's put this one in here. So these icons actually provides a universal language in design, aiding in effective communication and creating a consistent and visually appealing user experience. So that's how you add in an icon or use an icon here on Figma.